From Parweld, the XR942H and XR943H represents the next generation of welding helmets, with different core strengths united by the same high quality you would expect from a Parweld helmet. The XR942H offering exceptional panoramic views, allowing you to see with 180-degree internal vision, with our true colour, active darkening lenses extended to the side lenses as well, contributing to a more realistic view of your weld and your surroundings. The XR943H, with its flip action, allows you to seamlessly flip up and down, making it comfortable to go between welding and performing other tasks. With dedicated welding, grinding and cutting modes, this helmet is the perfect all-rounder. Both helmets offer true colour vision along with exceptional optical clarity that allow you to see your welds in the clarity they deserve. With variable shade control that goes from 4 to 13 on the XR943H and 4 to 14 on the XR942H, you're given incredible control over how you see your weld, with auto shading mode to make the experience even easier. Both come with 36 months warranty to give you peace of mind that your helmet and we at Parweld are here for the long term.